Unlike Sri Lanka, the leaders of our country adopted a very cautious attitude in spreading the use of Hindi. So unlike the Sri Lanka incident, which we have already discussed in the previous chapter, our Indian leaders had tried their best to spread the importance of Hindi in our country, India. According to the constitution, the use of English for official purpose was to be stopped in 1965. So when our Indian constitution was made, they have made an agreement that by 1965 they will stop using English as the official language in India. However, many non-Hindi speaking states demanded that the use of English continue. So there were many states who demanded that the use of English as the official language should continue in that particular state. In Tamil Nadu, this movement took a violent form. The central government responded by agreeing to continue the use of English along with Hindi for official purpose. As there was a conflict in the Tamil Nadu regarding the official language, the central government was bound to agree, or you can say bound to agree that they will use the English as well as the Hindi as the official language in Tamil Nadu. Many critics think that this solution favored the English speaking elite. Promotion of Hindi continue to be the official policy of the government of India. Promotion does not mean that the central government can impose Hindi on state where people speak different language. Though the government of India consider Hindi as the official language, but it does not mean that the central government have the power to impose Hindi as the official language in those states where they speak different languages. The flexibility shown by Indian political leader helped our country avoid the kind of situation that Sri Lanka find itself in. Though there was a many problem regarding the official language, whether it should be English or Hindi, but the flexibility which was shown by our Indian leaders helped our Indian citizens to cope up with the differences of languages speaking in one particular state, and hence the language policy worked very smoothly in our country. And thus we can say that with the help of language policy, federation, that means the power of division, was done in a smooth way.